Hello friends, welcome back to another solution video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade trivia March week 1 first lab solution Google Sheets getting started. And before starting the solution, I simply want to give you another update, that is the arcade facilitator program is about to start from the April, and on that I make a complete ultimate guide. You can check out this guide. इसमें आपको सब कुछ clear हो जाएगा कि what is facilitator program, how you can participate in it, and also there are facilitator registration forms live, so you can check out both the video and link of both the video would be in the description box. ये बहुत important है तो आप जाके जरूर चेक करना. Now without wasting time, start these labs. It would be a very easy lab. Just simply follow me and you will definitely get a green tick easily. So click on the start lab button and wait for your credentials to be loaded. With the credentials, we will log in into the Google Cloud Console or the Google account. Okay, so wait for that. So once you get the credentials, first of all copy the password from here by clicking on this copy button. Then right click upon open Google Sheets and open it in incognito window. Incognito window में ही open करेंगे. Hit enter button and paste the password. It will ask you for the password, so paste the password and hit enter again. Click on I understand and you get logged into the Google Sheets. This time instead of working on the Google Cloud Console, we would be working on the Google Sheets. Google Sheets पे work कर रहे होंगे. Now once the page get logged in, you have to come back to the lab and click on the task number 1. From the task number 1, you have to right click upon explore this data and open it in incognito window. इस बार इसे हम incognito window में open करेंगे. A new spreadsheet would be open for you. Okay, so wait for this page to get loaded. Don't get rushing. Simply सब चीज़ों को time लेने दो, load होने दो. Okay. Once the page get loaded, click on the file button and click on make a copy. We have to make the copy of this sheet, so click on the make a copy. Don't change the name. Make sure the name would remain same. Once you make the copy of this file, you have to simply come back to the lab. Okay, and click on the check my progress and you will get the green tick in the task number 1. After that, scroll down a little bit and from the task number 2, you have to right click upon open Google Drive and open it in incognito window. This time अब हम Google Drive को open करेंगे. Google Sheets का हमारा वर्क अभी हुआ है. Okay, and in the Google Drive you would be able to see both those Excel sheets, the original one and the copy one. Okay, so from here what you need to do, you have to upload a file in here, a special file. To get that special file, you have to come back to the lab and go to the description of the video. Yes, उस special file के लिए आपको video के description में जाना है, and in the description you will find the link of this folder. The drive में मैंने दोनों file upload कर दी हैं. You have to download both these file and the link of both these file in the description box. इसे access करेंगे, download the first file, explore data, exported data, then download the second file, important data, and make sure you don't change the name of both these file. Okay, only download them once, otherwise ये अपने आप rename हो जाती हैं. अगर दो या तीन बार हम डाउनलोड करने की कोशिश करें तो एक ही बार डाउनलोड करना है. Once you downloaded both these file, you have to come back to the lab and now I am again back to the student ID जिसमें हम पूरा lab complete कर रहे हैं, उस वाली ID में आ चुका हूँ और उसके drive folder खुला है. So here you have to click on the new button, click on file upload and you have to upload one of those file. Locate those file जहाँ भी आपने डाउनलोड करके सेव करी हैं, वहाँ से इन्हें लोकेट करना है. In my case, it's under the downloads folder, and from here I will only upload the exported data file, exported data.csv. Okay, click on the open button. Wait for it to get uploaded. Once it get uploaded, simply refresh the page and wait for this file or the page to get properly loaded. Once the page get loaded, you will be able to see the options on clicking on these dots. And once you will be able to see open with, you have to hover upon it and select the Google Sheets. We are opening this exported data file with the Google Sheets. Okay, wait for the file to get loaded, and if there is any background noise from my side, then please avoid this. Once the file get loaded, you have to click on the file button. First of all, got it button, click on the file and you have to import the file this time. Okay, so click on the file and click on the import and click on the upload button, click on browse, and this time we will select the second file, that was the important data.xlsx. Click on this, click on open button, wait for it to get loaded and make sure now this dialog box should be selected as the create new spreadsheet. Click on the import data. Once the data get imported, click on the open now button and it will open that sheet in a new tab. Now you have to share this sheet with the Excel, with the qwiklab. Okay, so wait for the page to be loaded. After that we will click on the share button. Click on got it, click on share, click on restricted and click on qwiklabs. Click on done and now you are done with the lab. आपके सारे टास्क कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. Come back to the lab, open the lab and one by one we will get the green tick for all the tasks. Task number 1 पे green tick मिल चुका था. Scroll down करेंगे, click on task number 2, check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Don't worry, it may take some time. While it's loading, simply scroll down, click on the check my progress for the task number 3 click on this, you will get the green tick here. ज़्यादा टाइम लिया अगर चेक माई प्रोग्रेस में लोड होने में, देन पेज को एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लेना. ओके, आई गेस इट्स टेकिंग टाइम, सो वी विल सिंपली रिफ्रेश द पेज. कई बार ऐसा होता है अटक जाती है चीज़ें, प्रोसेस नहीं हो रही होती, तो हम रिफ्रेश कर लेते हैं उस केस में पेज को. लैब रिस्टार्ट नहीं किया, सिर्फ पेज रिफ्रेश किया है. सो स्क्रॉल डाउन, अगेन क्लिक ऑन चेक माई प्रोग्रेस, यू विल गेट द ग्रीन टिक हियर. Scroll down, click on this check my progress, you will get the green tick here as well. Step 2 completed. Same for the task number 3, click on check my progress, you will get the green tick here. आपने अगर मुझे ठीक से फॉलो किया है तो डेफिनेटली आपको ग्रीन टिक मिल जाएंगे. स्क्रॉल डाउन, कीप स्क्रॉलिंग, क्लिक ऑन दिस चेक माई प्रोग्रेस, यू विल गेट द ग्रीन टिक हियर एज वेल. Scroll down, keep scrolling. Now we get the green tick for all the tasks. So congratulations, your lab is completed. Click on the end lab button, click on end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give, click on the submit button and come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. Main page पे आके एक बार check कर लेंगे हमें green tick मिला है lab में या नहीं. So open the module and you will see that you get the green tick beside your lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.